So that is the one in the natural color. He is cute.
So if y'all hung out long enough, or if y'all were here at the beginning, we said we were gonna make a cute little bow with these ribbons and that other pink one on our moss wreath form. So Carrie's gonna make that really quick, and I'm going to scan what we're using. So let me just scan that again. This one was, yeah, Sizzle, that texture, material, whatever, is really popular. So she's using her pink iridescent loopy ribbon first. That one was sold 135.
Yes. And I'm just gonna make this. I'm not gonna make this very big because that
it's not super big. This is the heart form she's gonna put it on. I'll scan it. Cute. Please zap the bow maker. Yes, ma'am. So this moss green heart was sold 104. It's $12.60. It's a 17 long and then 17 tall. Perfect little heart. Great for Valentine's Day if you're still decorating your home, or all year round, because hearts, like, you know, like little girl heart, like love hearts. So it's a good one just to have year round. So that one was sold 104. I'm going to put the bow maker we're using. It is an easy bow maker. It's going to be sold 200. Sold space 200. We love our easy bow maker. It makes it easy. Love it. Do y'all have any questions? While Carrie's making her bow, I can definitely go back and scan other things or tell y'all numbers. So y'all let me know. Yes, moss forms are always in style. That's why we, at the very beginning of this video, if you weren't on, we restocked our rectangle moss wreaths and the hearts, and we still have some ovals in stock.
Yes, we found some out there today.
And then the basket with the swirlies. I don't know what that's called, but so y'all just let me know if y'all have any more questions about anything. This black and white heart ribbon that she used second is a satin ribbon. It is so pretty, and it's definitely does not have to just be Valentine. It can be year round. So you've got your black satin. This is a 2.5 inch by 10, and then the hearts are different shapes. I mean, different sizes. They're called Benson hearts, and they are white glittery. Bow maker can be a third hand for you. Yep, because it can hold mesh. It can hold ribbon. That's a great thing too. If you just have one on hand, you know, you can use it. I didn't see from the beginning, did y'all show any bundles? We did not show any bundles.
We need to, we've got a big shipment coming next week.
Yeah, we've got a big ribbon shipment coming next week, and that is going to have a lot of what we picked out at market to put together. So hopefully when we get back next week, we can make some more bundles for y'all, because I know that y'all love those. So the black and white heart ribbon was sold $201, $9.32. Before I scan, you want to tell them what size you made everything?
I did 6-5-4-3, and I only am doing one loop on each side. I kind of didn't want this one to get crazy big because that heart's not super huge.
Tails?
Tails, I'm not sure because I don't have my mat down here.
Probably about 10.
Yeah.
Probably about a 10-inch tail, and 6-inch loop, 5-inch loop, 4-inch loop, 3-inch loop. So this fabulous sequin disco ball ribbon is going to be sold $202. Y'all, this is glamorous. This is amazing. It is sold $202, $17.52. Hey, Cody. Hey. We were just telling everybody about the workshop. And then lastly, this fuchsia 1.5 inch lush velvet. It's going to be sold $203.
Stand over here. Are we out? Oh, here.
You don't want to use a wire?
Well, I may.
I just think a wire may
run
hold on
through
to that. Love the combination. Thank you, Sherry. So this hot pink is $5.65, and it's going to be sold $203. Oh, Cody says yes. Can't wait to see y'all.
Me
Can't wait
either.
to see you either. We're excited. We were telling everybody that it's birds and bees themed and all the perks and discounts and everything they get if they do sign up. So it's exciting. It's only 2 weeks away. That's what we were just talking about. I'm like, oh, end of January, and then I'm like, wait, end of January is like in 2 weeks. So
it is here.
it's here. Can y'all believe it that the first month of 2025 is already halfway over? We'll blink and it'll be summertime, and then it'll be Christmas, and then there will be. So this is Carrie's little bow. Like she said, she's probably just gonna put this on her door at her house.
Yeah, I've got Colonel Reb stuck up there right now. It's just time.
My Colonel Reb's to look. I mean, I just have a football bow.
Time to do a little.
It's going to be great. Yes, the workshop's going to be great. If y'all are not sure what we're talking about, Debbie posted the link in the comments. It is with Cody from How I See It and Donna with On a Whim. They come to the Trendy Tree headquarters and do a lot of fun stuff. So if y'all are interested in that, you can scroll up to those comments. Do you want me to go tell them?
Yes, please.
Can you do this?
Yes, yeah, I can. Is that Marianne? I'm trying to get my wire through here. There it goes. Anyway, I'm having to focus. Hold on. Yeah, it's so fun when they're here. It is wild. But I love it. Cody and Donna, they stay up and I go to bed. But I'm gonna try to stay up with them a little bit this time. Alright, so I am just, I think I'm gonna put her over here on the side. Right here. What do you think, Mom? I don't want to put her, is that to make it lose the shape?
Maybe. What about if you put it at the bottom?
Put it down here?
Or maybe like right here?
Alright.
I don't know. I think if you put it at the top, you can't tell it's a heart.
Alright, that's good. Let me see.
You need me to hold it, or do you want to lay it down?
Just hold it. I'm just gonna twist this.
She said, okay, and then she said they won't be working Monday because it's a holiday. Martin Luther King Day, so perfect.
Everybody else will. Okay.
Yes.
So,
Alright.
twist it this way.
Twist it and then fluff.
Yeah, that's kind of cute.
That's cute.
So I'm just gonna hang this
on her door at
on
home.
my door at home, and have a cute little Valentine thing. Cute.
So, if y'all have any questions, feel free to message us or email us. Like Carrie said, no, any orders placed will go out Monday because we will not be working tomorrow. We're heading out to Atlanta for market. We'll post some sneaks and stuff from market. I don't know if we'll be live at all, but
just depends on where we are and what's happening.
Yes. Donna is going to try to go live one day this weekend and make some fun stuff, so y'all be sure to look for that.
Still don't know.
If you were shopping this live, whether you're shopping right now or if you're catching the replay later, make sure you check out within 4 hours because your carts do clear after 4 hours. And so if you wanted some of these goodies, make sure you go ahead and secure them. You can use Sezzle as a reminder.
Yep.
But anyways, we hope y'all have a fabulous weekend, and
we'll see you on Monday.
Monday for sure. Maybe on the weekend. We don't know.
Anyway, have a great day.